Eastern wisdom says, find yourself. But that real you is another reality. What we experience in daily life has nothing to do with it. And it is called the Alaukik Reality. Have you ever felt you are constantly plugged into a sprawling digital network, overwhelmed by endless updates and notifications? Imagine your daily life experiences, all your apps, streaming services, social media feeds, emails, work deadlines. This is constantly updated, means it is changing. That is our worldly, so called the worldly reality or the material world, constantly shifting, data rich, and sometimes chaotic. But beneath all the front end activity lies something fundamental: the unseen fiber optic cables, the stable power grid, the deep-seated server architecture that runs 24 by 7. So then there is an unchanging infrastructure, is not affected by the buffering videos or email. It just is, making everything else possible. So Eastern wisdom and our masters helps us to undertake the journey step by step to reach to an unchanging foundation. What is that unchanging foundation? The real self is the transcendental, supra-sensory truth, the ultimate reality that exists independently of the body-mind complex. A profound sense of peace and happiness, love and wisdom lie there. It is the source of the lasting peace. And we can access it through the direct realization. That is why Eastern wisdom says, awaken to yourself.